Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this VideoFX Pro review. Now, for those of you out there who are not doing so well with your social media, you're thinking of different ways of how you can promote different kinds of content, make your content look better, give your content a little bit more pizzazz, VideoFX Pro is definitely for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into VideoFX Pro to show you exactly what it does, exactly how it can make your content stand out from the crowd, and as well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with VideoFX Pro that I've handpicked so you can really hit the ground running with a little bit extra. So before we get into all that, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want more updates, more videos like this, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if at any point in this video you just want to jump ahead and check out VideoFX Pro on your own, all the bonuses, simply click that link in the description, because that way you will go through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way this essentially works is if you go through to my bonus page first and click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all the bonuses that I just talked about before sending you off to the official vendor sales page, which my bonus page is integrated with. So the first bonus you'll be privy to is called Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies, and I threw this in there because if you're creating content with VideoFX Pro, essentially what that is you're putting out content that becomes the beginning of your sales funnel. So people are looking at your content and saying, wow, look how great that is, and then they're clicking on links, or you're giving them a call to action, they're going through to your link in your description or whatnot, and then they're going through to your product, your offer, and then maybe they're getting on your mail list, and then maybe you're retargeting them, sending them offers again, and having that in a structured sales funnel and thinking about it in that way is going to help you out a lot, because if, you know, funnels help you identify bottlenecks. For example, if you are getting people to view your Instagram, but they're not going through to your offer, then maybe, you know, you can figure out what's wrong with your, you know, content. If they're going through to your offer, but they're not clicking, or they're not putting their email address, then you know that the bottleneck lies in your landing page. So you can fix that. And it just takes the guesswork out of trying to fix any problems that you might be facing. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called How to Become an Instagram Influencer. And I threw this in there for those of you who want to become an influencer. It doesn't matter. There's some great tips in here about personal branding, how to select a niche, how to contact other influencers, how to work with them, how to talk to them, how to communicate in a way that offers value, and all that good stuff, all the stuff that influencers actually do regularly in order to build up their following. More followers, more audience equals more traffic equals more sales. So I thought I'd throw that in there as well. Bonus number 3 is called Video Marketing Profit Kit. And if you're going to be marketing, especially on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, this goes into how to create videos that are designed to sell. So along with VideoFX Pro, which is going to make your content look good, your micro content look good, I thought I'd throw this in there so you can take some elements out of selling via video and then put that into your content, because what you really want your content to do is trigger an emotion in someone, make them feel like what you're offering is something that they need, and that comes down to marketing really well. So I threw this product in there because I think that will really go hand in hand with VideoFX Pro. You can create the really awesome looking content and add that element of marketing into your content as well. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is 3 versions of music loops. So these are public domain music loops. Each one has 25 high definition music loops. So you're getting 75 music loops that you can also use in your content or wherever you want. There's no restrictions on any of the music in any of these packs. So I think that's really going to help you out, because I know it can be a hassle sometimes to find some music, and maybe you throw it online, you throw it on YouTube, and you know, next minute you're getting pinged because someone owns the rights to that music. So you're not going to have that problem with these music loops packs here. I've gotten you all 3 volumes. The last bonus I've gotten for you is going to build upon the marketing aspect of your content. So you're going to be creating these pieces of content in VideoFX Pro. So I've gotten you Copyright Expert and Fail-Proof Headlines. So these are 2 bonuses that I put together. One is going to teach you how to write great copy on your content, on your landing pages, in your emails, wherever you are communicating with your audience, you need to know how to write good copy. You need to know how to write in a way that triggers emotions, biases, forces people to take action, compels them to want to buy. Fail-proof headlines. If your content is great, it doesn't matter if you don't have a good headline that is drawing people in the right way, using the right format that has been tested and compels people to click. It doesn't matter how good your content is. So headlines and copy, almost as, if not just as important as the content itself. So I threw this in there because you're gonna have VideoFX Pro, the content you create in there, those elements of also marketing with copy and headlines as well. So if that all sounds good to you, step one, click the link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page. Click on any of these green buttons. It locks in your bonuses before launching you off to the official sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this in your own time so we're not here all day, and checking to see what it's all about and if it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, this product is stored on JVZoo, so you'll get a digital receipt which looks like this. And under the green button will be VideoFX Pro, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses. So super easy, you get everything in a bundle exclusively, only through my link. And if you have any problems, my email is right there. Also, keep an eye on this countdown timer. It might go up or down depending on what the vendor wants to do this week during launch week. But if it is a 0, if it is all at 0, yeah, you will miss out on the launch pricing that you're getting through my link, as well as the bonuses. So just when you come through to my bonus page, keep your eye on this countdown timer. It might be up, it might be down. And if it is not on 0, then you're still gonna be entitled to those bonuses. Any problems, again, hit me up. So right now we're gonna jump into an over-the-shoulder look of VideoFX Pro so you can see exactly what to expect.
I'm gonna show you how to create hybrid show-stopping animations that will give you the ultimate edge online to crush your competition and stand out from the crowd. In the dashboard, all you have to do is search a video from YouTube, choose one from the library, or upload your own. Then, once you've chosen your video, you're going to choose the start and end time of the clip of the video you want to use. After you load the video onto the canvas, all you're going to do is choose the part of the video that you want to animate. And I'm just going to go ahead and erase out the part that I want to animate. And everything that I erase will now become animated. You can see already that that creates an awesome effect that really creates an attention-grabbing, show-stopping video. But we can do a lot more. So if we go to filters, now we can go ahead and create these really cool extra special effects by adding a filter in just one click. In this one, you're using a sepia tone. You can use black and white. We can do inverter, which is going to create another really cool effect. You can do glow or sobel, and there's a bunch of other effects too. So you can further stand out from the crowd and customize your animations to make it into a stunning piece of content that makes it impossible to ignore. And VideoFX Pro does all the work for you in just a few clicks within seconds with zero technical skills or design background. Now, in addition to all of those effects, we can also add other visual elements like call to action buttons. We can add different call outs. We can add cutout photos. We can add illustrations. With the included library, you get a ton of these things automatically included in the software already. We can add overlays, we can add shapes, and we can even add social media icons. We can reposition anything that we put on there. We can resize it. We can rotate it, scale it. We can make it transparent or invisible. You can place it right over the video or over the still part of the image, and it will still display. And then we can also add text, and we can put whatever text we want on there as well. We can change the font, we can change the colors, and a ton of other things too. Nothing like this has ever been done before. Then all we need to do when we're ready with our finished video is click render to render our completed video. Then we're able to preview it right down here in our little preview window, and we also are able to post this instantly to social media. We pick the socials we want, we enter the message, we can choose a link. This could be an affiliate link, it could be your blog, it could be your social media profiles, your website, wherever you want to send traffic. And then we're just going to click post. You can also download any of the videos that you create and use them anywhere that you want. The reason that this is so much better than anything else out there is everything else has lost its novelty. This is the new wave. Big brands are going nuts over this because just like them, you don't want to be ignored like everybody else. You want to be different and stand out, and these will stop customers in their tracks and captivate their attention. And the best part is, you don't need to hire videographers, you don't need to pay for expensive software, you don't need to go back and forth with outsourcers or designers or graphic people or video people or anything to do this. You could do it all yourself in just minutes with VideoFX Pro.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to see what VideoFX Pro can do for you. Really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page again, I've got the pricing here, the light version, and everything that you get for $25. And if you want the Pro license, you get a couple more goodies in there, a couple extras, and that's only $27 during launch week. As you go through the buying process, there are also more licenses available, and also the agency version. As you go through the buying process, you will get these options presented to you. So if you do want a little bit extra, if you do want the full license or the agency license, or you want to, let's say you're working on Fiverr and you want to create products for other people, you can buy, you know, those different kinds of licenses as well. I will say though that you do only need this $25 offer to get access to all the bonuses. So don't think that you have to get like every upsell to get my bonuses. You do only need the basic price. So when you take into consideration what you get for $25 or $27, all those bonuses, there really is a ton of value there. And basically the quicker you get in, the more you get for the least price. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to definitely hit me up in the comments, in my email, which is right here, as well as my social media as well. I do check those multiple times a day. I do reply to everybody. If not, enjoy VideoFX Pro. I hope you love it. Hope you get the most out of it. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.